Hi, I'm Lina, and I'm here to help you make your English less Russian and more English. Today I'm going to talk to you about one huge pain for all people whose first language is Russian when they are learning English. I'm talking about articles. You have all heard about them, those two little words, e or the. Unfortunately, they make all the difference. Very often, their usage or their incorrect usage may change the meaning of what you're trying to say. So it is very important to know how to use them. First, very general thing. Why e? Why the? E is indefinite article. That is, it is used with something that you mention for the first time, something that you don't know about yet. You do not define it somehow. That is why it is indefinite. On the other hand, you have the. It is definite article. It is something that you have already described, or all your listeners understand what item exactly you're talking about. Or maybe there is only one thing of a kind, like we have only one sun, so it is always the sun. So now I'll tell you one very important thing. Usage of an article depends on what it is used with. It all depends on the noun it comes with. Noun is существительное, именник, the word which answers the question what. And these nouns can be different. They can be countable and uncountable. That is, you can count them or you cannot count them. I will give you examples to make it easier. All the objects around us, the road, the mobile phone, the camera, the tree, the leaf, they are all countables because they can be counted. I can have one pen or two pens. There may be one road or two roads. There may be one tree, three trees, or the whole bunch of trees. So these words are countable. They are objects around us. So what about uncountable ones? There are several categories of them. For example, they are substances. Air. It's all around us, but we cannot count it. We can count liters, but we cannot count air. We cannot have 3 airs. You cannot say, please give me 3 airs. That's not possible. Or salt. Something you put into your soup to make it tastier. You can have 3 grains of it, you can have a spoonful of it, you can have 2 spoons of it, but you cannot have 3 salts, because it is uncountable. Some other uncountable words are collective words. That is, when they consist of a bunch of other objects. Like 2 bags and 3 suitcases together make luggage. You can count individual words in it, but you cannot count luggage. You cannot have 3 luggages. So, to understand how to use articles, you have to mind what kind of noun you have. Now, have a look at this table, please. The nouns can be countable or uncountable. And countable can be singular, that is one finger, or plural, like 4 fingers, or they may be uncountable. Now, let's have a look at what can come with each of these 3 categories. A singular countable noun always comes with an article. This thing I have, it is always a finger or the finger. There is no such thing as finger. It never happens. Now, if we talk about several, I can have 4 fingers and there will be no article, just fingers. But if I talk about definite ones, they will be the fingers. That is, plural countable noun may have either nothing or the. And the same story with uncountable ones. It is either nothing, no article, some indefinite abstract thing, or definite article, the. That's it. That is all you have to remember. And if you are careful enough, you will see that the is not opposite to e. It's not that whenever you cannot use e, you use the. No, it's not so. The can come with any category of nouns if you know what you are talking about. I can talk about the finger, the fingers, or the air, and it will be definite for me. But when I'm talking about a singular noun, singular countable noun, it always needs an article. That's it. That is all you have to remember. Now I will give you an exercise to check yourself, and if you want to read this information in Russian or find more exercises, you can follow the link below.